Hey guys, Aaron here. If you're watching this, you've probably watched one or more of my videos that have helped you out and you're wondering what this membership thing is all about. Well, YouTube just started allowing people to subscribe to memberships for channels, so I figured I would make that available to you guys. A lot of people have expressed interest or already donated through the Ko-Fi page, but this one integrates right into YouTube. So I just wanted to let you know that it exists, that there's an opportunity to support the channel, and explain real quickly what the 3 different levels are. In the first tier, you get these little cool icons that will appear next to your name when you comment on the videos on this channel, as well as an extra dose of good karma. If you feel so generous as to get into the second tier, I will give you a shout out on the channel. If you'd rather remain private and don't want that, no problem. You will also receive everything in tier 1. For tier 3, you're gonna get everything that's in tier 1 and 2, plus you're gonna get one of these DIY branded shirts. And on top of that, once I get to the new garage that I'm building right now, I will make a wall of diamond donors and your name will be on there permanently. And I'll try to get that to show up in as many of my future videos as I can. So whether or not you're a member or just a subscriber, I appreciate your support for this channel. It's been a lot of fun. I hope we continue to grow together and I will keep trying to bring you the best content out there. So thanks again, guys. See you soon.